Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 5 English Plus 1 workbook on page 17. We are on Unit 1. So this is writing a description of a town or city. So language point, position of adjectives. So activity 1, rewrite the sentences with the adjective in the correct place. So Prague is a city. So we have inside parenthesis is a adjective. So adjective basically is a word that describes a noun. So usually it placed before a noun. So for example, this example here, so Prague is a famous city. So city is a noun, so you place before the noun. So, and thus Prague is a famous city. So with a full stop. So let's take a look at number 1. So there are some parks near here. So we need to identify the noun here. So the noun here is park. So there are some pretty parks near here. So there are some pretty. So double T, Y, parks near here. And then number 2, the shard is a building. So building is a noun, so we place before the word building. So the shard is a modern building. Modern building. And then number 3, is there a cafe in Station Street? So friendly. So cafe is a noun, so we place before it. So is there a friendly cafe in Station Street? Station Street. So street, double E, remember that. And then number 4, this is a shopping center. So really clean. So this is a shopping center. It's a noun. So we have this longer adjective here. So this is a really clean shopping center. This is a really clean shopping center. And then number 5, that isn't a swimming pool. So very safe. So swimming pool is a noun. So we place before it. So that isn't a very safe swimming pool. So that isn't a very safe swimming pool. Number 6, my school has got a library. So library is a noun, so really fantastic, we place before it. So my school has got a really fantastic library. really fantastic. Library. So next we move on to activity 2. So order the words to make sentences. So give an example here. Is your town nice? Very. A place. Yes. It's friendly. So basically we the first word should be in title case, meaning the first letter here should be capital letter or uppercase. So yes, comma, it's a very friendly place. So basically it's just after the question mark, you will need to order the words. So number 1, are these shops good? So we order the word after the question mark here. So the answer is either yes or no. So we have no here. So followed by pronoun. So they aren't. Very big. So with full stop, remember that. And number 2, is this a nice area? So yes, comma, there are some pretty squares here. So maybe I should write the cube properly. So I already erased that and then I rewrite again. So squares here. Number 3, is your city modern? So your answer, yes, it's got a really new shopping center. So center. And then number 4, where are those hotels? So we don't have the answer yes or no. So this is, you write the pronoun here. So there, in a quiet. So quiet. So maybe many people write wrongly here, so they write as TE. So remember that this is ET rather than TE. So quiet street. So we have double E and then T. I would say double E and double T for the word street. And then number 5, are there any dangerous areas in that town? So your answer is no. And then there, very safe. Very safe. And then number 6, where is your house? So your answer, it's in a in a really small town. So basically, really is a adverb. So small is an adjective, and then town is a noun. So it's in a really small town. So next we move on to activity 3. Read the information about Leeds, then complete the email. So we see Leeds. So we have this map here. Come to Leeds in the north of England. So it's a part of the UK. So basically the UK have 4 countries. So England is one of them. So it's only 270 kilometers from the capital, London. So it's a big city with a population of 750,000. Visit Leeds for the fantastic restaurants and the streets with modern shops. It's really good for shopping. If you like football, there's the famous Leeds United football team too. Leeds is a very exciting city with friendly people. Manchester and Sheffield aren't far by train, but our city is more exciting. And then we have this email interface here. So Holly wrote to Monica. So we have this: hi Monica, thank you for your email and the description of your city, Prague. My home city is Leeds. It's in the, so in the what? So we have this north of England. So we have this, you can refer to the information above. So in the north of England. So in north of England. And it's only from London. So we have distance about 270 kilometers away from this city here called London. So it's a very big city with people. So this is a figure. So 750,000. So remember the comma. And then we have next paragraph. There are and streets. So we have this: there are fantastic restaurants. So maybe you write smaller a bit. Fantastic restaurants. So we have less space here. So restaurants. So we have S. There are fantastic restaurants and streets with modern shops. So with modern shops. Here is a great place for shopping, Leeds has got a, so we have this: Leeds United is a football team. So we have football team. I'm one of their fans. So I like Leeds because it's a very, so we have this one: exciting place. So exciting place. The people are nice and too. So we have number 9, friendly. From Leeds, there are trains to, so we have two towns here. So one is Manchester and Sheffield. So we have double F. They aren't what so far. I like those cities, but I think Leeds is exciting. So we have more here. See you soon, Holly. And then activity 4. Write an email to a friend about your city. Use the text in exercise 3 to help you. So this one I won't give you example. Maybe you can write your own. So that's it for this page. So we have this Year 5 English Plus 1 workbook on page 17. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the relevant contents here. And then you can click the link right below this video.